quotients. Convert decimal division expressions into fractional division expressions to create whole number divisors. Compute the quotient using the division algorithm. Check your work with the calculator and your estimates. To start, we have Norman purchased 3.5 pounds of his favorite mixture of dry fruits to use in a trail mix. The total cost was $16.87. How much does the fruit cost per pound? That means cost goes on top, pounds go on bottom. To turn these into whole numbers, we are going to multiply by either a 10, 100, or 1,000. We just need the divisor to be a whole number in this case. So we're going to multiply by a 10 to move the decimal one spot. That gives us 168.7 and 35 on the bottom. We need to estimate. This is close to 200, and the bottom is close to 40. So if we did 200 divided by 40, how many 4s fit into 20? Should come out to 5 as our estimate. Now we are going to do some long division to figure out what the actual answer should be. $35 fits into 168 4 times, which gives you 140, and that leaves you with 287 when you bring down that 7. 35 will fit into 287 8 times, and that would be 280 because it's just 140 doubled. Then we have a 7, and we need to bring down another 0. 35 fits into 70 exactly 2 times. So the cost per pound is $4.82. $4.82 per pound. And our estimate was $5, and $4.82 is pretty close to $5, so that was a good estimate. You can check your work on a calculator by doing 4.82 times 3.5 and make sure that it comes out to 16.87. For number 10, Mommy saved $161.25. This is 25% of the amount she needs to save. How much money does she need to save? 25% written as a decimal is 0.25. So we can take 161.25 and divide by 0.25. Then to get rid of the decimals in our fraction, we need to multiply by 100, which moves the decimal 2 places. So 161 is close to 20,000. And 25 can stay at 25. 25 fits into 208 times. So our approximation is about 800. So now we are going to actually do the division. 25 fits into 161 6 times. Which gives you 11. Then you bring down your 2. 25 fits into 112 4 times, with 12 left over. Bring down the 5. 25 fits into 125 exactly 5 times. So our answer would be $645, and our approximation up here was 800. So they're okay. They're kind of close, but because 16,000 isn't super close to 20,000, our estimate is a little bit farther off. I'm going to show you the way that I would approach this problem if it wasn't asking you to use quotients. You do not have to do the second step. I'm just showing you what it would look like using the percent setup that we've been talking about earlier in class. So we have 25% is out of 100. And over here where it says this is 25%, that means that's the part. So it goes on the top, and then we would cross multiply and divide. So 161.25 times 100 is 16125, and then we would divide it by 25, and we would get exactly what we came up with the first time we did this problem, which was 645. But you do not have to show your work this way. You want to do the quotients like we showed in the first part.